On your right is Independence Square. Independence Square, it has been named after our Ghana's independence. It's the second largest square in the world. The first one is the Tiananmen Square of China, and this is where we celebrate our independence and any other important anniversary. It was at this place that in 1996 that President Bill Clinton came and visited Ghana, and there was a record of over 10,000 people trooping to this place just to have a glimpse of President Clinton from outside. And these 10,000 people are people who are not Ghanaians. Yeah, we are going one more round, and then over here, when we have our Independence Day like this, soldiers and the military and the security services march past the days. Now the days is the one straight down there. Those days, it is the design of it looks like a lady's handbag, so it was named as Fatia's handbag. Fatia, we all know, was the wife of President Kwame Nkrumah. She has a special handbag that she goes out with on those occasions. So those the bag that she uses, they look at the bag and design the days the same way. Hence the name Fatia's handbag. Yeah.
Yes.
So how do they government here transition money land to African Americans?
Talk about the Black Star.
Yeah, the Black Star, because we bypassed it, that's why I want to give everybody money. Thank you so much
But also
for reminding
the Black
me.
Stars that play at the stadium right behind you.
Yes, just at the days we saw a cenotaph, and the cenotaph on top of it is a Black Star. You know, Ghana, our colors is red, gold, green, and Black Star in the middle, right. Which was Black Star. The whole Africa adopted that star, that Black Star, because of Marcus Garvey's Black Star line, and Black Star line became the symbol of African liberation.
Right.
So if you watch African flag, you will see one of these four colors: red, gold, green, and Black Star in it. Yes. On your left right now is a soccer stadium. Soccer stadium. We have 4 of those in Ghana where we play national tournaments. In 2008, Ghana hosted the whole Africa here to play a tournament called African Cup. It's like the World Cup, the version of the World Cup. Yeah.
They almost got it, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
Almost did.
Yeah, we was there. Were you at the game?
Oh.
Woo, yeah. You.
People is